Welcome guys, yet in another video. This is the Ultimate Survivor here in Africa. I'm checking around Africa, showing you the amazing things that happens in Africa. In today's video, we are talking about art. We are in Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. This is a small town that you find in southern Africa, which is bordered by Zambia, by Botswana, by South Africa, and Mozambique. So here in Victoria Falls, we do a lot of things. That's where the mighty Zambezi is. That's where the Victoria Falls is. So this place has got so many artists who benefit from the tourists who come to view all these amazing places. In today's video, we've got a gentleman by the name Dexter. He makes amazing art out of the recycled material. He picks up anything, be it the metal, be it the wires, the leather, the plastics, anything that he can find, and he produces some beautiful and amazing arts. In today's video, he's going to show us what he calls the villages, whereby he compiles his art up until he comes up with a small village, and when he cranks his things, the whole village gets to function very well. So let's find out and see what he has to say. Let's see Dexter.
Those two American tourists taking photos by the bridge, Victoria Falls, and those guys down there doing the bungee. And then we've got two lions chasing a zebra, whilst the zebra is going for a drink by the Zambezi River. And then there's an elephant also trying to bring down a branch of a tree to feed the frog. And then here, with a black mamba attacking a muzzle, with a leopard looking for a pack which recently ran away from it. And then this got a cider who are pointing, that's a buffalo grazing, with the baboon taking his own action up the tree, whilst the giraffe is running confused after taking the kill, taking place everywhere. And then that's a rhino, one pointing. Sorry, myself. A rhino grazing, and two clever guinea fowls flying up top there. Normally guinea fowls don't fly, but these were clever that they were able to fly. And then with the vulture also fly to check what is going to feed after the kill becomes alive. And then with the Tory from Norway putting cash inside that donation box. And the next section there belongs to African States, United, with more about Zimbabwe to watch, where we welcome 3 women stamping at the same motor, and they're from Single Zimbabwe, whilst the chicken from Slovenia, Zimmerman, is eating by the motor. And that mom grinding some peanuts to make peanut butter. That is Penalonga Manikala in Zimbabwe. And this man chopping wood, that is Ghana. And that's our granary, where we keep our food after harvest from Mozambique. And the warrior down there beating up a drum, that is Dabazinduna, Zimbabwe. And that's Vishnu Bridge, Zimmerman, where we witnessing a tourist from France taking a video. And then they down, that's a wrecking of the plow from Zambia. And the Rasta having a thing for that is being as Zimbabwe. And a mankind drinking African beer next to him, that's Gabon. And up the tree, that's the boy from plum tree, Jim again, going with some eggs, collect for the nest, and then a cool moon up by there. And down there, Point Stick, that's Chaka Zulu, the warrior, who's dancing with the Spanish shield all the way from South Africa, Western Natal. While the Bushmen on training with a bow and arrow from the Botswana down for the holiday, and pay the moon down to the 2 Algerian guards who are taking a dive for a swim. And then this gentleman up top here is drilling out water from a well, and I'm helping him defend the team inside like that. Watching over there, you want to see the bucket come, and that's Swaziland bringing the bucket. You have the bucket is out with water. And then this side down under the current, it's gonna meet a mother operation from Tanzania surfing in a bit in the sector like that. Tanzania, then the Sifis. And then this side, that's a gentleman from Gokwe, Zimbabwe, picking cotton from the field. And that mom winnowing, that is Kenya. And the man fetching up the ladder. That is Zimbabwe village back in Zimbabwe. And then there comes again a black mamba from Malawi fighting a chicken from Burundi over the exhibited last days for our boys. And then finally, that's Europe and Asia there, which takes on a water lifetime, join Africa to make the world run one under Russia's maze. There are a few things that's about to be put before I give them names where they each come from. Like here, that's a pool where I'm here to put someone else who want to be swimming while visualizing this lady read a book, take a rest at the sea, and this guy having soft drinks. And with a crate full of clear beer, assuming these guys are only drinking free. And then this side here, what a lady reading a book. I'm okay. And you might come this side. Come on, then. Having firewood, the drinking spirits. As I said, that's the hotel lifestyle. And then there, they have their own lunch. It might be supper or breakfast or whatever. And they say that's the hotel again. And then over there, what a lady taking a shower. And then the man holding a tissue in the toilet, waterizing. And the story of the world put together under unified states. Thanks so much for witnessing the move. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless. Take care.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy, give us the thumbs up, the likes. That will help us to continue to give you the content like this. And also, if you haven't subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and also activate the bell icon so that you are notified when we drop a new video. This is the Ultimate Survivor signing out from Africa. I love you so much, guys. Thank you.